rivets, you're better on. If you know how to use rivet guns, keep anything that you can when it comes to these sort of like stainless jobs like this, where if you just don't feel like running to Home Depot, that's probably one of the number one things for the Home Depot and stuff like that. At a smaller set last night, I'm gonna go back and get is rivets are probably gonna be your better way forward. As you can see, this is the reason why you have to bolts that should be able to latch that on. When you can just get this will dismount onto the side. We adjust the height accordingly if things go off, which is really cool. Bolt on there, so we're gonna go ahead and put that together for you now. Obviously, you can shave those down if you want to, but I don't think it's important. Right? We're ambitious and start thinking about, cut corners, but you also gotta have this such a pain in the backside that if you don't, so that's why I'm just trying to go hard as I can today, get as far as I can. Down the side there, we've got very few tolerances there to work with. So this shelf here in the back is gonna have to go because, but still you're gonna have an open burner next to it. As it is right now, I can kind of swivel it, just mounting that on there so that it sits. Also using the right angle for a mount, because this is crucial here that I get this right. You can kind of see the old imprint from the mount, and that kind of gives me a good feeling that that point to that point and mark it off so we can know exactly how. Take measure to the right angle straight across, and then we'll just mark that up.